how to operate the 19X model. Number 1, turn on the engine. Number 2, parking right here, release this button right here for that slide door. Also one more button here for this door, and also one more button right here for this door. Refrigerator have a lock right here, open, and the controller right here. Freezer, tablet right here, lights, or explain itself. You need to use the water, turn on the water pump, tank heater when in the winter time. See, gray tank empty, black tank empty. Also right here, manual, that's mean right here, or auto. Turn on the water heater, press on. Right here, you move here, press, you see equal, hot, boots, and then just leave it equal right there. And if you want to use heater, you turn here, press in, and then turn to the temperature. Then you press that's, and then you go back. Also, you can use this right here, either gas or mix, or both, electric only. There, I leave it gas right now. Microwave, you don't need to turn on the generator. You can use the inverter right here, turn it on, you can run the generator. Induction cooktop, just plug in the 110 power and use it, but you need to turn on the inverter. There's a breaker right here, the CO detector. If battery go low, the detector will beep. Then you need to go here, there's a switch, the red switch, turn it off. That way you can disable the battery. This is where you fill up fresh water tank. It's about 18 gallons. Here you close the door, just pull this little key for right here, open, and right here same thing, you open it. Remember, you can pull it out to the dump hose and put it to the dump hose. This to lock. So you go here, switch this one on, you press in. That's for the black tank, which is the toilet, and then turn off. And then you turn on this one again, press on to flush the gray tank. This is retract, this one. But when you retract, make sure you hold it so it's not tangled. This is an outside shower. There's an adapter connection so you can spray it. 30 amp power plug-in. This is where direct hookup for the freshwater tank. Right here, everything supplies in here. Or you can open this up and you can see it. There's a power, water supply, water filters, everything in there. Right here is the pressure for outside showers. This is where you battery, turn on and off battery, light switch. And last is awning, it's wind sensors. Here's where you fill up the gas, propane gas. That's turn on. They fill up right here. This the connection adapter for barbecue. So this one, when they fill it up, everything supply you can see in here. That's for the CarPlay. And of course right here, it's important, it's diesel only.